Let me be honest with you. In 2026, AI is not going to replace everyone. But people who don't understand AI will absolutely be replaced by people who do. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact AI skills you must learn for 2026, from beginner level all the way to advanced. Also, there is one AI trend that completely surprised me. Almost nobody is talking about it, but I genuinely believe it's going to change the entire AI landscape in 2026. I'll reveal that near the end. But first, let's start with the basics. Ever since ChatGPT launched in late 2022, AI hasn't just grown. It has exploded. Today, AI is everywhere. Emails, images, videos, chatbots, apps, and products. So even if you don't realize it, you're already using generative AI in your daily life. Now, if you still don't fully understand what generative AI actually is, how it works, and what it can and can't do, then learning AI fundamentals should be your first step. The good news is, you don't need months. Just a few hours of structured learning is enough to build clarity. Once you understand the basics, there is one skill that becomes more important than anything else. Let me test you. What do you think that skill is? Comment below. Yes, it's prompting. Prompting is the skill that decides whether AI feels useless and overrated or insanely powerful. Most people think AI is bad. In reality, their prompts are bad. And this is something I already showed in my previous video on Google's prompt engineering course. The same AI can give completely different outputs based only on how you ask the question. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out after this one. It will instantly upgrade how you use any AI tool. Why prompting matters. Let me show you a quick example. Bad prompt was where you write a YouTube script about AI. You'll get something generic, boring, and forgettable. Now look at this. Better prompt. Act as a YouTube content strategist. Write a 6 to 8 minute engaging script about AI skills for beginners in 2026. Use simple language, real-world examples, and a strong hook in the first 15 seconds. Same AI, completely different result. That's the power of prompting. Whenever you prompt AI, think in this structure. Task: what do you want done? Context: background information. Reference: style or example. Output format: how you want the answer. Iteration: improve step by step. Example: write a LinkedIn post about AI changing jobs for beginners in a calm and motivational tone, under 150 words. This simple structure alone already puts you ahead of most AI users. If results are still not great, add roles and constraints. Example: you are a career coach with 10 years of experience. Explain how AI will impact jobs by 2026. Audience: students and fresh graduates. Use simple language and practical advice. Now AI understands who it is, who it's speaking to, and how to respond. This works across ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, everything. Think of I like a sword. Owning a sword doesn't make you a warrior. Knowing how to use it does. Prompting is how you swing the sword. Once you know how to prompt properly, you don't need 50 different AI tools. You need a few tools used extremely well. A general AI chatbot. One tool that can write, analyze, summarize, brainstorm, help you think, Most modern AI chatbots already do this. For research and learning, AI is incredibly powerful for reading long articles, summarizing research, breaking down complex topics. Learning faster is one of the most valuable skills today, and AI massively accelerates it. For execution, AI can help you create slides, build documents, generate dashboards, even prototype simple apps. Key idea: you don't need many subscriptions. Pick one main tool, master it deeply, and you'll already be ahead of most people. Now let's talk about something more advanced: AI agents. AI agents can pursue goals, make decisions, complete tasks on your behalf. Examples: customer support agents, coding agents, reporting and automation agents. Companies are realizing something important. They don't just need AI tools. They need custom AI agents that fit directly into their workflows. This is why AI automation, agent configuration, AI integrations are becoming high-value skills. If you can build or customize AI agents, even using no-code tools, you are entering seriously high-demand territory. Now let's talk about the trend that genuinely surprised me: open source AI. For years, closed models dominated the space. But today, open source models are reaching similar performance with massive advantages: lower cost, more control, customization, no vendor lock-in. What's even more interesting, some of the strongest open source AI models are now coming from China, and many AI startups are already building on open source foundations. My prediction is, in 2026, open source AI adoption will explode. The final essential skill for 2026 is AI-assisted coding. Here's the crazy part: you no longer need to be a traditional developer. Today, you can describe an idea, let AI generate the code, test, tweak, and improve it. For developers, this means working 10 times faster. For non-developers, this means finally being able to build. This skill alone will unlock startups, side projects, automations, digital products. Before we wrap up, keep an eye on multimodal AI, text plus image plus video plus audio, AI-generated voices and music, AI regulation and safety. AI is moving incredibly fast, but the good news is you don't need to learn everything. Just learn the right skills and you'll be well prepared for 2026. Comment below, which AI skill are you planning to learn first? And I'll see you in the next video.